Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the exact stash location and why that matters. Control equals predictability. Once done, place a compact barrier and one trap at choke points to slow attackers. Assign one anchor to hold close, one flanker to cover lateral movement, and a scout to watch long sight lines. Make sure everyone knows the fallback marker and your trigger for rotation. This reduces hesitation and keeps the plan cohesive under pressure. Now you build pressure and deny enemy momentum by staggering rotations and utility. You rotate defenders every 30 to 45 seconds so no one gets predictable, and you throw smoke or flash in sequence to break their sight lines. This forces them to commit slowly. Communicate concise callouts, then set overlapping crossfires that funnel attackers into your traps. Once a route is contested, hold it long enough to trade effectively, but be ready to finish by timing your closeout when the enemy has used key utilities or lost members. You want a numerical or resource edge. You push in measured waves, secure the stash, and extract along the preplanned escape path with a 2-minute timer to prevent hesitation. If things go wrong, if the stash is compromised, do a staged retreat. Pull back to secondary barriers, deny pursuit with leftover utilities, then reset positions and roles so you can contest again with a clean setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.